How to capture a scribe. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to capture a scribe. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you can just head over to scribehub.com, and in here you can see this. So you can just scroll down until you can see this get scribe free, and then you can just log in using your account. Now I've already logged into my account, and as you can see right here, this is my workspace. So in order to capture a scribe, you first need to install their browser extension. So I've already installed the browser extension, as you can see right here. So I can now click on this create scribe right here in order to create a scribe. So in here I can just choose scribe visual step-by-step guide. So let's click on that. And in here you can click on this create scribe again, and you can choose what tab you want to get started, for example. So for me, I will choose this how to create a calendar invite. And in here you can just do whatever thing that you need to do. You can just type in anything. You can just head over and go on to your usual process in here, and then Scribe will automatically detect it for you using their specific extension right here. So as you can see right here, this is blinking. That just means that they have already tried to access this site, and they've already started documenting it. So you can just click on that specific thing, and once you're done with that, it will automatically just try to save on your documents just right there. So once you're done with everything, you can just head over to documents, and you can see in here the thing that you have started to do. So if you click on this extension, you can just click on stop capture, and then as you can see, it will load. And here you can see this creating a scribe and adding a calendar invite, and you will see it here just like this. All of this right here, you can just click on this copy link right here, so you can copy this link and you can share it to a friend. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to capture a scribe. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.